Shivaji Maharaj was the first Maratha warrior and the great king who kept the invaders at bay. Later, the Peshwas, following the footsteps of Shivaji, repelled foreign invaders and venerated him in temples. In modern times, structures like the Thane District Court, Collector's Office, DJ High School and Thana Jail, etc., grace our Thane. The machine age dust time, propelling it into a rapid transformation. On April 16, 1853, the first train in Asia commenced its journey from Mumbai to Thane, making Thane the origin of Indian Railways in Maharashtra. Thane holds a unique place in the freedom struggle, as energy of freedom permeates the red soil. Foreign invaders were defeated in the Mughals, Portuguese, or Englishmen. Heroes like Anantapur have famed martyrdom in this virtuous land. Thane has always praised and shown great level of respect towards such heroes. The great freedom fighter and visionary leader Vinayak Damodar Savarkar received great reception in Thane first after he was released from Andaman jailer jail. In the 21st century, Anand Vijay has continued the hero's tradition by liberating the poor and downtrodden from their struggles. Thane's geography and policy are pleasant, surrounded by Yerwol Hills, national parks and scenic spots. The land adorned with almost 33 lakes is like a jewel-studded crown. For 1,000 years, Thane has been a hub of trade, connecting with distant lands like China, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, UAE, Qatar, Egypt, Rome, and Africa. Its natural beauty is preserved by the people and the cultural heritage thrives. Art has inseparable bond with Thane, a measure of human culture. Thane's artistic culture and love for art are evident in Gargari Rangayan, which is truly a repertoire of artists. Since 1960, songs like Mere Desh Ki Dharti from film Uppkar was shot in Thane's Gargari Rangayan was formed to serve an art. Upon the request of common Thanikars, the Lord of Hindu's art, Bala Sahib Thapar, ensured the formation of Gargari Rangayan. Thane continues to be the heart of Hindi film industry, with TV shows garnering top TRP ratings. Thane's DNA embodies both art and smart. Bihang Sanskriti Art Festival, conceived by MLA Pratap Sarnaik, promises a bright future of the city. Thane Municipal Corporation's vision of all-round development, Thane distinguished ensures a fast and smart tomorrow. The epitome of Thane's development is modern hospitals, medical centers, maternity homes, colleges, more than 350 kilometers massive road construction, and more than 100 buses. Our respected CM Krishnath Shinde has taken the initiative for the development of various projects like Metro, Coastal Road, Thane Borivali Tunnel, and Cluster Thane. The bright future of Thane residents is guaranteed by way of such projects and connecting Thane with jetty and water transport on all sides. Thane, a city that breathes the spirit of progress, a legacy that continues to shine